My name is Erin McKeon.
I'm Mike Rosem.
Betty Zawada.
My name is Sean Coughlin.
Keela Johnson.
Isaiah McKinney.
My name is Nira Jory. I'm the Director for Sustainability.
I'm the Process Engineer.
I'm a Senior Automation Engineer.
I'm the Production Manager.
I'm the Director of Sales Planning and Operations.
I'm the Vice President of Finance.
And I'm a Senior Food Technologist.
And I'm located in Buffalo, New York.
At Niles in Chicago, Illinois.
In Buffalo, New York.
And I'm based here in World Headquarters in Buffalo, New York.
For the Morristown, Tennessee plant.
I work in Buffalo, New York.
And I'm based in our world headquarters in Buffalo, New York.
Bridges culture is kind, caring, and innovative.
Inclusive and open.
It's very genuine and authentic, and I think there's a true sense of collaboration here.
Being able to commit to my family as well as to work at the same time.
The first things I heard when I started with the organization was always do what's right.
The company is committed to long-term goals rather than short-term gains.
One of the cool things about Riches is the opportunity to continue to learn and grow in your career.
The role that I'm in has a really unique opportunity to shape the impact that we have.
You know, being able to really just enjoy coming to work and being with friends.
We look out for each other. We're always willing to help each other. We learn from each other.
Instead of saying 300 people work for me, now it's I work for 300 people. That really resonates with me, helping others and giving them the tools, capabilities they need to be successful.
But I really love that every day I know I come in and make a difference. Family really means being part of the team.
One thing that I live by is never set limits to what you can do in life.
Dream big and anything is possible.